So guys, today we're talking about the mobility belt, also called as walk belt, pelican belt. Yeah, so many different names. So you will be using this for your client to transfer them from one position to another place, right? So we'll be transferring Bettina today from this wheelchair to the chair there, right? So what do you do first when you're doing any procedure? Hand washing. Yeah, extremely important. So you can use your hand sanitizer as you see there. Hand sanitizer before you do any procedure. If the client has got any infection, you need to use your gloves. Yeah. So in this case, we have used the hand sanitizer, and then you need to make sure that you take consent from your client. Yeah, your client should also know what you're using. So this is the equipment that we'll be using today, and whether she's comfortable, whether she's okay with this, right? All those things are part of the procedure. Yeah. So Bettina, I'll be using this walk belt to transfer you from the wheelchair to the shower chair. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
Yeah. So this goes around your waist. Yeah. And then we'll be removing the footrest safely, and I will be assisting you to move on to that shower chair. All right. So let me start. If you can just move forward, please. Yeah. And then you put this around. Now before you put any equipment, it's important that you check the equipment so that you know that it is in good working condition. Yeah, so it should not be too tight or too loose, right? And then you take this off, the footrest. Yeah, so Bettina, if you can just come forward a little bit. Now what we'll do is we'll be moving forward and backward 3 times. Yeah, rocking. At the count of 3, you need to push with this arm and try and stand up. Yeah, so let's have a try. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, well done. Right? So sometimes they don't get it in the first go. That's okay. You can try again. Yeah. So in this case, now she's able to stand, and we ask her to stand for a few minutes, just so that if she's dizzy, she needs to be seated back. Yeah. Now what we do is we come in here, and the person will be transferred into this chair all the way back. All right. So she safely moved from one position to the other, and then we remove this. So asking the person to lean forward, and you take this from the back. All right.